This is a piano tutorial on the Christmas song Jingle Bells, and this one is as a piano soloist. So I'm going to show you the fingering for the right hand here. This is in the key of G. We have one sharp, which is F sharp, so every time you run into an F, you've got to watch out for that and play the black key to the right. We're going to start with our thumb on D, and then on this E, put your thumb there. Second finger on that F sharp there. Then you got to lift up your wrist, kind of put your fifth finger on D. Then lift your hand up, your thumb goes on D again, down here. Thumb on E. Fourth finger on that C note. Fifth finger on that D. And because we got to go up to this E, on the next measure, we're going to put the first three notes of that measure, D, on with your fifth finger. And then on the last one, we're going to put your fourth finger on that D so you can get up to the E with your fifth finger. And then the chorus is your third finger. Really, pretty much that gets you through the rest of the song. Fourth finger on C. Repeats. Fourth finger there. Fifth finger there. Thumb on G. Pretty easy on the fingering there. I'm going to show you the chords then for your left hand. Some of these will be inverted, just to kind of keep it in this octave right here. So the first chord, G, I'm going to have you play it like that. D, G, B. And then a C chord there in root position, C, E, G. Root position on that D chord, D, F sharp, and A. Back to your G in that position we did before, D, G, B. Back to C again, D, and G in that same inverted position again, D, G, B. And we stay on that one for a few measures. Position there, the G, and here we have an A7, and I'm going to suggest you do it like this: E, G, A, and C sharp on the top. It's a little awkward. You've got to move your wrist forward so you can hit that one with your thumb, but I think that's the best way to do it. So it's a A7 there. D7, and that's going to be root position there, D, F sharp, A, and C. And then that repeats itself, same thing to the end, G, C chord, G, and D7 there, also root position, D, F sharp, A, and C, and back to the G chord. This is what it sounds like when you put it all together.